So in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the Kapton tape. So we finally got some Kapton tape. Somebody called this heat-resistant tape, or have another names called the polyimide film also. So either polyimide, heat-resistant tape, or Kapton tape, they're basically the same. And they're used in a lot of the semiconductor field, doing assembly, PCB assembly, where you need to have Kapton tape to resist the heat. Or you can use it in the sublimation for transfer the print onto the t-shirts. So there are a lot of use for the Kapton tape. So today we're going to demonstrate how easy to use the Echomerx tape dispenser to cut into the Kapton tape. So just for people that who has not watched our prior videos, I'm going to do a swap. So I'm going to change the tapes, the core, because you can see right now the Kapton tape is currently the 3-inch core, the inner diameter, and right now we have the Scotch tape, which has the 1-inch core. So I'm going to change the core from 1-inch to 3-inch. So both 1-inch and a 3-inch core comes with the tape dispensers. So you can do 1-inch inner diameter or 3-inch inner diameter. To swap the core, I will first use the scissor to cut the current tape. All right, so just like that. And let me just fold so you can use next time. All right, so you just take it out like that. So right now we have the Scotch tape being taken out. So I'm going to put the 1-inch, the 3-inch core. Let me find where the leader is. Okay, so it's right there. All right, so I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to put another one like that. So let me find the leaders. All right, so we've got that. And we got this too. All right, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 in this way. Then we have dedicated video just on how to change and set up the core and also the tapes, and how to wind the tape in certain directions. So the basic rule for winding is the tapes goes clockwise like this. So the leader of the tape, the adhesive side of that, will facing up like that. So you see that it's going clockwise like this, and the adhesive side of the tape facing up. All right, so let me just load the core like that. And so the next will be to fix the leader of the tapes to the watermill teeth. So I'm just gonna do like this. All right, so make sure it's tight. So now, after I fix the leader of the tapes to the inner side of the watermill teeth, I can just start rotate. So right now I'm going to take whatever the Scotch tape off. Okay, so I'm clear. So I just clear the Scotch tape, and now I'm just start rewinding. And right away, you see this Kapton tape has been cut and dispensed it onto the watermill. So it's very easy. I can just fill that with my hand. There's no hesitation. There was no forced rotations, and it's been cut. Here we go, 1.5 inch in length, and this is how the Kapton tapes turn out after dispensing. Before we go, so let me just measure the thickness of the Kapton tape, so we understand how each thickness will affect the cutting. All right, so this is about a 2 mil, and this is about the same as the Scotch tape. The Scotch tape is about 2 mil. So 2 mil Scotch tape, 2 mil Kapton tapes. It's quite easy to cut it, and you can put more than 2 Kapton tapes right here. And this is about, let me just measure that. This tape is about 0.4 inches wide. So you can put maybe 3. I think definitely 3 is no problem. You can put 3 tapes in there. And this is 3-inch inner diameter Kapton tapes. So that will wrap it up, the demo for Kapton tape or heat resistant tape or polyamide film tape. Thank you.